Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome browser on your Windows 10 operating system. So guys, get started. So just open your Microsoft Edge browser, which is the browser available on your Windows operating system when you freshly install Windows 10 or when you buy a notebook or a computer which has a Windows 10. So I'm going to open Microsoft Edge and I'm going to just search for Google Chrome download English. Google Chrome and okay, and you are going to see a bunch of results. So what I am going to do is I am going to click this link which says www.google.com/chrome. So I'm going to just click that link, and now straight away you will see this download Chrome button on, or when you scroll down you will see this download Chrome button here also, and the end of this web page you will see this download button. So you can't miss this download Chrome button on this Google Chrome page. So I'm going to just click on the button and then I'm going to say accept. So I'm going to click them and accept and installation. Then you will see here at the bottom page you will got a exe file of the Chrome, and then you will open it. Then you will see here a message came, we have to run it, and then we will run it. There one more option will come, yes. And then so at the time of making this video this file is around 1.3 megabyte file, so it we are downloaded literally fast. This browser here, and you can see the installation and the Google Chrome browser has been started. So it will take few minutes depending upon the speed of your internet to download the Google Chrome browser. So I will wait for the downloaded to complete, and now you can see here the installation process has been started, and the installation is done really fast, and straight away after the installation Google Chrome, the browser will start. So this is the browser which is going to start this Google Chrome browser, and also you will able to see Google Chrome browser at the desktop. Also, if you want to come, just right click on this Google Chrome here on this taskbar, and you can pin on the taskbar. So once you close your Google Chrome, you just open start the Chrome browser at the taskbar. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.